Press generate to skip the studio.
Missed me? I'm back, and I brought my AI twin. For the last 12 months, I have been building multiple AI-powered products that are going to make your life easier. And today, I am introducing one of them. Creating video ads and social media content takes way too much time. Finding actors, writing scripts, shooting. But do you know how much time I spent on this perfect take? Just a minute. Actually, right now, I'm in a restaurant. But thanks to Vidacious, my AI twin is doing all the work for me. Whether you're promoting a brand, a product, or even yourself, just drop a link or share your idea. Our AI will instantly analyze your content and write catchy scripts for you to choose from. Choose from over 1,200 AI actors with natural voices in 175 languages. Generate dozens of creative variations in a couple of minutes to test them and find the most effective combinations for your audience. Publish your videos in one click directly from Vidacious.
Vidacious.